In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best listed products available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality features and values. We focused on lower to mid price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive listed products. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, let's find out.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more video. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.